Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dante Cosmetic Anime Vanguard. First, navigate to your game's main menu. From there, look for the Customization or Appearance tab. This is where all your cosmetic options are stored. Once inside, you'll find various categories. Locate the one specifically labeled Dante Cosmetic Anime to begin your style journey. It's usually clearly marked for easy access. Now that you are in the Dante Anime section, take your time to explore the wide array of available items. You will see many unique pieces to choose from. As you hover over each one, a preview should appear on your character. This allows you to visualize exactly how the cosmetic will look before making your final decision. Experiment with different options to find your perfect aesthetic. Once you have selected your desired Dante Anime cosmetic, simply confirm your choice. This action will apply the item directly to your character. However, it is crucial to remember one final step: saving your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button, often located at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this ensures your new, stylish look is permanently set for future gameplay. To truly master your Dante anime style, do not be afraid to mix and match. Combine different pieces to create a look that is uniquely yours. Also, keep an eye out for new cosmetic releases or special events that might offer exclusive items. Many games frequently update their cosmetic shops, so checking back often can reveal exciting new additions to your collection. Enjoy your personalized character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.